In this session, you will be introduced to the mindful movement practice. The main purpose of mindful movement is not stretching or exercising for its own sake, but learning to bring awareness to your sensations in your body, like in the body scan. You practice gently exploring your own limits, coming up to what is uncomfortable, and not pushing beyond. Paying attention to the important information your body can give you, which you often override with your mind, pushing beyond your limits. By taking this time out to tune into your body, and listen to what it tells you, it will help you to bring mindfulness into the rest of your life, bringing your awareness into your body, as you move through your day. Let's get a taste of this by doing a short movement practice, right now. Begin by sitting tall and upright, letting your weight sink into your chair, feel your feet planted on the ground. This will be a simple practice, but do pay attention to your own body. So, if you have physical problems, or a movement just doesn't feel right for you, just miss that out, and visualize the movement. Bringing awareness to the parts of your body that are being used. And now, turning your palms out away from your body, breathing in, and very slowly beginning to raise both arms out, away from the sides of your body, and up towards the sky. Keep breathing as you extend them slowly away from your body and upward, and when they reach the top, reaching higher through your fingertips, stretching both sides of your body. See if you can keep your shoulders down and relaxed, just stretching up through your arms. Noticing whatever sensations you're feeling in your fingers, your arms, your armpits, your shoulders, the back and sides of your body. Now, on your out-breath, very slowly beginning to lower your arms back down again, until they reach your sides. Paying attention to all your changing sensations on the way down. Noticing all your muscles being used in this movement. And then sitting here again, noticing any after effects of the stretch you've just done. Tuning into any feelings of relief, any tingling, any warmth, whatever is there. And then, on your in-breath, raising up just your right arm, and stretching as if to reach something high. And gently exploring the boundary of what is comfortable. How do you know where your own boundary is? That place where you're stretching, but not overstretching. What are your sensations that tell you this? Is there an ache, a heaviness? Does it move, or change? Do you automatically resist these sensations, or can you soften and open to them? And on your out-breath, lowering your arm down. And noticing your after effects. And then raising your left arm, again reaching up with it and exploring your boundary. Bringing a gentle inquisitiveness to your sensations. Noticing any tendency to immediately label sensations as pain, exploring what's really there. Playing with your boundary. coming up to it, perhaps going a bit further, and coming back again. Listening to what your body, not your mind, is telling you to do. If there's any intensity of sensation, try using your breath to breathe into those areas of intensity, and see if you can let go, and release a little with each out-breath. And slowly lowering your arm back down again. Taking a moment to notice the effects of those movements on your body. Feeling again the connection of your buttocks on your chair, and your feet on the earth. And now some shoulder rolls. Gently taking your shoulders up toward your ears. And then forward, and then down, and then back. Continually making little circles with your shoulders. Remembering to breathe. Noticing any places of tension or tightness. Not forcing anything. Rotating your shoulders very gently. And then reversing the direction. Taking your shoulders up, and then back, and then down, and then forward. Staying with your sensations in your shoulders. This practice is another step, like the body scan, into becoming fully present with your body, and more awake to what's going on in this moment. In the next session, you'll have an opportunity to practice some more mindful movement. Aim to practice mindful movement most days during the week, with the next guided session, or in silence on your own. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.